That is our perfect pan-seared salmon with lemon butter sauce. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to turn a restaurant meal into a home meal. We're going to cook the perfect pan-seared salmon in a lemon garlic butter sauce. Let's do it. Come on. So what we need to do, we need to season our salmon. So a pinch of salt. Get a pinch of salt over there. And some black pepper. A nice pinch of black pepper over the top. Now that's our salmon seasoned. Turn it over. We need to do the skin side. So on with some salt. Now the black pepper is not going to stick very well, I don't think. And we're not covering it in oil. I want it straight in the pan. A bit more salt, I reckon. Okay, so that is our salmon with salt and pepper on. That is all we need. We don't need any fancy jerk seasoning or anything like that. We want to be able to taste our salmon, you know, and the salmon's not a very strong meat at the end of the day. So why try and hide it with all the different flavors? So salt and pepper is all we need. Okay, nothing hard about this. Pan on, not too high. And then in with some butter. Oh, a good knob of butter there, look. Now we are making a garlic butter sauce. So we want butter in here. Little whiz round. Now we don't want to burn the butter, so be careful. If we have a brown butter, that's fine. Right, and what we need to do is put our salmon in, skin side down. Now just press it down a little bit, not too hard, but we need to press it down for about 10 seconds or more because the salmon buckles up. There we go. So we got this lovely, beautiful salmon simmering in there, and you can see it's starting to cook up the sides, starting to turn opaque. Now just give it about 3 minutes, and then we need to lift it up and have a look underneath to see if it's brown. That should be okay. All we need to do now is gently turn over our salmon. Perfect. What we need to do now is go in with some chopped shallots. Now, not on the fish, in the oil. And some garlic. Don't forget we're making garlic butter. So nice and gently, just give that a little stir in there so we get that garlic in there. A little bit of lemon zest, zest in some lemon. Oh, wonderful, wonderful smell. Add the juice of half a lemon. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So you can see, guys, there's absolutely no panic with actually cooking any of this. It's so simple and straightforward. Now, you can add a splash of white wine if you so wish. Now, it doesn't want to be too much. You just want a little bit in there. Give that a nice little whiz in. Oh, I can smell that coming out of that lemon, the wine. Oh, right. And in with our cream. In with our parsley. Now, this is dried parsley, guys. You know, you can use fresh parsley if you so wish. And just give that a little stir in there. Stir it in around our fish. Oh, just look at that. Now that is wonderful. You can see the butter in there, you can see the cream, you've got the parsley, there's a smell of the white wine, smell of the lemon. Oh, that is fabulous. And all we need to do is spoon over some of that sauce. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's getting that flavour on there. Oh. Right, now guys, if you are not sure how you've cooked your salmon, okay, and you're really uncertain it's cooked, you can actually put a lid over for about 2 minutes, and that will help cook back the salmon inside. So if you don't like raw salmon or you're uncertain, put a lid over for about 2 minutes only, no more than that, and then take the lid off. Okay, lid off. Let's give our lemon butter sauce a little stir around in there. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to take our salmon out, let it rest while we thicken up the sauce a little bit. So it's very straightforward. We just take our salmon out of there. Just reduce our sauce a little bit. Now we don't want to go too mad. You know, we want a bit of runniness in there. Now it depends what you're serving it up with. You know, I'm just going to show this spooned over the salmon. But you know, if you've got veggies in there, oh, perfect. So that is our straightforward lemon butter sauce made. You see the butter, smell the lemon, it's creamy. Oh, that is delicious. So what you can do, you can give it a taste test if you so wish. Wowza, that is a great lemon butter sauce. Okay, all we need to do now is serve it up. That is our perfect pan-seared salmon with lemon butter sauce. Oh, 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 perfectly cooked, juicy salmon. Oh, guys, that is amazing. And that sauce. If you like what we're doing, smash that like and subscribe. Oh, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.